Hello student, let us continue exercise 7.1. Now we discuss question number 6. Name the type of the quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Now we discuss part 2. These are the points of the quadrilaterals. Let A -3,5, B 3,1, C 0,3, D -1, -4. By using distance formula, AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB equal to root of take x1 minus 3, y1 5, x2 3, y2 1. Now we write x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. 3 minus minus 3, that is plus 3. 3 plus 3 whole square. Plus as it is. y2 minus y1. Value of y2 is 1. Value of y1 is 5. y2 minus y1. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 whole square. Now root of 3 plus 3, 6 square plus 1 minus 5 minus 4 square. 6 square plus minus 4 square. 6 square plus minus 4 square. 6 6 36. Minus 4 multiply minus 4 plus 16. Root of 36 plus 16, that is root of 52. Now we write root of 52 is equal to 2 root 13 units. 2 into 2 into 13. Now BC. Now BC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now take x1, y1, x2, y2. So we write 0 minus 3 whole square. 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus 1 whole square. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1, 2, 2 square. Minus 3 multiply minus 3 plus 9. 2 into 2, 4. Root of 13. 9 plus 4, 13. Root of 13 units. Now we find AC. AC. Take x1, y1, x2, y2. So we write 0 minus minus 3, 0 plus 3 whole square. 0 plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 3 minus 5 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square. 0 plus 3, 3 whole square. 3 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 square. 3 into 3 plus 9. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. Root of 13 unit. AC equal to root of 13 unit. Now again repeat. AB equal to 2 root 13 unit. BC equal to root 13 unit. AC equal to root 13 units. Clearly BC plus AC. BC plus AC. BC plus AC. Root 13 plus root 13, 2 root 13, and 2 root 13 is AB. So we write BC plus AC equal to AB. Given points A, B, C are collinear, so they form straight line. Hence given points do not form the quadrilaterals. Hence given points do not form the quadrilaterals. lateral. Now we discuss question number 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. Coordinate of A is 2, -5 and coordinate of B is -2, 9. Let P x0 be the point lies on the x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. Coordinate of A is 2, -5. Coordinate of B is -2, 9. Given P is equidistant from A and B, so AP equal to BP. AP equal to BP, this is your given. AP equal to BP. Squaring on both sides. Now AP square equal to BP square. Now we write, take x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus x1, x minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus plus 5, 0 plus 5 whole square, 0 plus 5 whole square is equal to, take x1, y1, x2, y2. So we write x2 minus x1, x plus 2 whole square, plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Now a minus b whole square can be write a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 2 square minus 2a into b, plus 5 whole square means 5 into 5, that is 25. Now x plus 2 whole square means a plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square can be write a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x square, a square means x square plus b square means 2 square plus 2ab means 2 into a into b, plus minus 9 whole square means plus 81. Now x square plus 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4 x plus 25 equal to x square plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 to the 4 4x plus 4x plus 81. X square cancel out. Now 4 plus 25 minus 4x is equal to 4 plus 81. 4 plus 81 plus 4x. Now 4 plus 25 can be write 29 minus 4x. 81 plus 4, that is 85. 85 plus 4x. Now minus 4x as it is. Transpose of 4x to the left hand side, change with its sign, that is minus 4x is equal to 85 as it is. Transpose of plus 29 to the right side, change with its sign, that is minus 29. Minus 4 that is minus 8, that is minus 8x. Minus 4x minus 8x is equal to 85 minus 29, that is 56. Minus 8x equal to 56, x equal to 56 upon minus 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. Value of x is minus 7. Hence the required point Pxy, that is minus 7, 0. This is your required point. Do question number 6 and 7 in your fair notebook. Thank you.